Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy, Learning German with Ritu. And this is lesson number 6 of A1 Learning Series. So, in the last session, lesson number 5, we have learned the alphabets. ABC को कैसे हम जर्मन में बोलेंगे, right? How do we say ABC in German? Now, today we are going to learn the sounds, compound sounds. यानी कि कोई भी आपका अल्फाबेट है उसको हम वर्ड में कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. Okay, we will learn the pronunciation. It will help you to read German correctly. So very important. You have to make notes and remember these rules. So today we are going to learn rules. Okay. ये वाले जो साउंड्स है आपको इंटरनेट पे किसी भी वीडियो में नहीं मिलेगी. These what I'm teaching today you will not get on internet. So very important thing when you want to read German correctly. So let's start. V. Letter V in German is the first sound. So VON is won. No, it is not won. Wrong. Phone. Because V is the first sound. Phone. Say loudly. Phone. Phone. Now what is this? Many people will say wheel, wheel. No. Wheel, wrong. Feel, because V is the first sound. So, feel. Say loudly. Feel. 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 So, V is the first sound. Example, fawn and feel. Fawn का मीनिंग क्या होगा आपका जनरली? ऑफ या फिर फ्रॉम. एंड व्हील इज मच. मच. ओके, आप लिख सकते हैं फॉन का मीनिंग क्या है? ऑफ और फ्रॉम. एंड व्हील इज मच. So guys, again I'm telling in English, V is the first sound. So V is first, so it will be fawn. Fawn means of or from in German. And this is feel, not wheel. Feel, which means much in English. Okay? So understood? V is the first sound. Now second. In letters, we learned it as yacht, right? But in word, the sound is y sound. It is y sound. So this is not jaka. Jaka, wrong, wrong, wrong. Jaka is wrong. What is correct? Yaka. J is y, A is a, and E is a. A say anar. So it is yak. Yak. K is k sound, right? So yak. Jaka, wrong. Yaki, wrong. Jaki, wrong. Yak. 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 Yaka means jacket. Write it down. Yaka means jacket. Please write it. Note these. Now we will do most confusing sounds. Many students get confused in this. Okay. So we will learn IE and E sound. So what is IE? अगर आपको IE साथ में नजर आता है लिखा हुआ, ठीक है, लाइक इसमें क्या है, IE एक साथ है सेंटेंस में, राइट? इफ यू सी दिस टुगेदर, दिस मीन्स ई साउंड, ई से इमली, E sound. IE is E sound. Example, in introduction we have done V. It is not Y. V, E. V. Z. E sound. IE is E sound. VIER. V is the first sound. We have just learned it. So, and IE is E. R is R. So what it becomes? Fear. Fear. Say loudly. Fear, 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 fear. Every sound you have to write initially the way I have written. So V, Z, fear. This is Zeben. It is not Zeiben. Zeiben, wrong. Zeben. Zeben. Spielen. Spielen, not spielen. Spielen. Again, one more time. IE को हम क्या बोलते हैं? E. IE is E sound. V, Z, fear, Sieben, spielen. Clear? Now we will learn what is EI sound. यानी कि EI साउंड को हम क्या कहेंगे ये हम सीखेंगे. IE को हम बोलते हैं I. अब हिंदी में मैंने I भी लिखा है, एल्स इट इज वन I in English. I. EYE. Same sound आएगा. Exactly the same. I. EI is I. Your eye. I always say that. So, it is not he son, it is high son. High son. Say loudly. High son. High son we have done in introduction. Called as. Right? It means called as. क्या कहलाते हैं. High son. High son. High son. High son. Another example. EI. So it is dry. 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 Let's understand the meaning of these words also. V means how. कैसे. How in English. In Hindi we call it as कैसे. Z is you formal, singular. आप. आप in Hindi. In English you formal. Fear is number 4. Zeben, number 7. Spielen. Spielen means to play. Khelna. It is a verb. To play. Heißen, to be called as. We have done it in introduction. Kehlana. And dry is number 3. Clear? Shall I move forward? Okay. Now, next is the S sounds. S वाली sound कौन सी है जो मैं अब हमें ये सीखना है। सो सिंगल एस को हम ज बोलेंगे. We will say single as the sound. So it is not C, it is Z. Z, loudly. Z. Formal U, up. Z. 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 Zontag. What is Zontag? We have done in weekdays. If you have not watched it, go back to my lesson. It is most likely lesson number 3. We have done weekdays, lesson number 2 or 3. So, Z, Zontag. Zontag means Sunday. ए का साउंड क्या है इसमें? अ की साउंड आएगी. सो Zontag. Zontag. S is Z, so it becomes Z. Zontag. Zontag. Zingen. Zingen भी एक verb है. It is also the verb which means to sing. गाना गाना. So, Zingen. 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 Loudly. Zingen. Zingen. Perfect. Now, double S. Or this is not B. It is a special character in German. We call it as Esset. एक लंबा डंडा होगा और फिर बी लिखेंगे हम ऐसे. इट इज नॉट बी, इट इज ए सेट. इट इक्वल्स टू डबल एस. बोथ आर इक्वल. इट इक्वल्स टू डबल एस. So either you write double S or beta sign, it is the same thing. So double S, asset, sound is S sound. S. डबल एस. सिंगल एस का क्या साउंड है? Z. सिंगल एस S. Like we high Z. We will not say Heisen. Wrong. Heisen is wrong. High sun. 5 times. High sun. Loud and clear with energy. High sun. High sun. High sun. High sun. Perfect. Very nice. I will scroll it down a bit. Yes. Here we go. Now the last sound with s is sh. SCH. जब SCH एक साथ लिखा, when we see SCH written together, the sound is sh sound. Example, Schule. SCH becomes sh, U is u, L is l, and E is a. So it becomes Schule. 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 So what we have learned in S, 3 sounds. Single S, Z sound. Z, Zontag. Double S or beta sign, S sound, Heisen. Sh, SCH, S sound, so Schule. Clear? Shall I move forward? Some more left. Yeah. So is my screen clear now? So U. U is the U sound. U. U को हम क्या बोलेंगे? U. We have done in alphabets also. CH. CH is very different kind of a combination. Sometimes it is ख sound, sometimes it is sh sound. कभी ये ख की भी साउंड लेता है एंड कभी ये श की साउंड भी लेता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ख के एग्जाम्पल्स, माखन. माखन मीन्स टू डू. कुछ करना, it is a verb. माखन, to do. लाखन, to laugh, हंसना. लाखन, माखन, लाखन. एंड आक्ट, इसका मीनिंग क्या है आक्ट का? 8 नंबर. आक्ट, आक्ट. So C is in kh sound. Makhan, lakhan, act. Loud and clear. CH kh sound. Makhan, lakhan, act. CH kh sound. Makhan, lakhan, act. Now CH is the kh sound. Sorry, sh sound. So CH in some cases it is sh sound. यानी कि sh sound भी होती है CH की. Example, expression. In introduction we have done expression, to speak. Welche Sprache sprechen Sie? Check my introduction video. So expression का meaning क्या है? To speak. It is lesson number 4. Expression, verb है to speak. In this it is not sprechen, it is sprechen. Mädchen, Mädchen is girl in German. गर्ल को हम क्या बोलेंगे जर्मन में? Mädchen. Note it down. So this is Mädchen. So ch, sh sound, expression, Mädchen. Ch, sh sound, expression, Mädchen. Expression, Mädchen. Now AU. AU if written together, the sound will come as ow. Ow. Say it loudly. You have to open up your mouth. Ow. Example, aus. Ish, comma, aus, Indian. I come from India. Introduction mein we have learned this line, word. Woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Indien. So aus, and what is Augen? Augen. Augen is eyes. Let me take out my specs. Eyes. Two eyes. Two eyes are Augen. Augen. So AU sound is ow sound. Aus and Augen. Clear? Moving ahead now. Okay, this is also little confusing initially. So इसको भी अच्छे से याद करना है. We have to learn it properly. So in this, A is A. We have done in alphabets like apfel. Apfel is one apple, singular. एक एप्पल को हम बोलेंगे apfel. A. Apfel. But as soon as you see these two dots in German is called as umlaut. ए विद टू डॉट्स का साउंड क्या बन जाएगा? ए का ए साउंड बन जाएगा फिर. एप्पल. एप्पल मीन्स प्लूरल, बहुत सारे एप्पल्स. सो ए इज आ, एप्पल. A umlaut, A with two dots, A, apfel. So see, A with umlaut, these two dots has high importance. डॉट बिना लगाए एक एप्पल है, लगाकर बहुत सारे एप्पल है. मीनिंग चेंजेस, राइट? So let me just quickly run you through again what we have done, a quick revision. So sounds we have learned from alphabets. It will help you to make your sentences and words speak clearly and correctly. V is the first sound. Fawn, feel. J, ear sound. Yak. I, E sound. Wie, Sie, wir, sieben, spielen. IE, I sound. Heißen, drei. S, the sound. Sie, Sonntag. Double S or Iset, S sound, heißen. SEH, Sh sound, Schule. U sound, U. U is U sound. CH, sometimes it is K, sometimes it is Sh. So, machen, lachen, acht. Sh sound in CH, when CH is a Sh sound, so sprechen, Mädchen. AU is Au sound. Aus, Augen. A without two dots, A, Apfel. With two dots, which is umlaut, A sound, Äpfel. So I am done with today's session. I hope with this session now you are able to speak correctly. It will help you to speak correctly. Reading is also important. You will be able to speak correctly, read correctly. So I hope this session was useful to you guys and keep watching my upcoming sessions. I am trying my best to help you out learn German better. Also, we have started with the A2 series wherein I am explaining the texts of A2 level to the students in detail. That also comes in exams. So please keep watching those videos also, those who are in A2 level. And do subscribe to my channel and keep watching all my videos. Those who have not watched, please go to my channel and watch all the videos. Very helpful content. Okay? Take care till then. Bye bye. Keep watching.